friends, I don't get a ton of requests for videos. Actually, I get very few requests for videos, but when I do, they're all for one thing. They want to know how the turbo CRV sounds. So that's the purpose of this video. I'm going to do a quick overview of the state of the CRV today in terms of mods and the turbo system, and then we'll get to the noises that you're asking for. We'll start with a walk around. Those are S2000 AP1 wheels, painted white. It is 7.5 inch in front and back, so that took 2 sets to make that. Those are 215/70 tires, Toyo Open Country. Everyone knows where this decal comes from, but I'll put a link in the description in case you don't. These tires, do they rub on stock height? Hell yeah. I need a lift. We'll get to that later. The big chunky intercooler is the first thing everybody notices. That's from CX Racing. And then, of course, the Nightlight light bar, the Thule rack, some no-name recovery equipment. On the back, we have another Toyo and another S2K wheel. The Megan exhaust we'll get to, and the trailer hitch. Inside, it's pretty stock, right? SI shift knob, AEM gauges. Switch panel, the only thing that actually is hooked up is the light bar. There's switches for other stuff in the future. And peanuts for feeding deer and raccoons. Otherwise, typical stuff in here. Now the real reason you came was for turbo stuff. So under the hood, we have the custom painted valve cover by Josh. I'll link his IG, but no, he won't paint you one. And of course, the CX Racing turbo. I'll link this whole kit, and I actually have a complete guide on this install, like bolt by bolt, that I will link as well. This is not the flashiest manifold, it's cast, but the reason it's cool is that you get to keep power steering and air conditioning, and they both work. CX Racing kit, blow off valve, K&N air filter. There's a relay for the light bar. Standard stuff. Future upgrades would be to replace this with a tile wastegate and a Greddy blow off valve. But they work and they make cool noises. And speaking of noises, let's get to the noises. Since this video is about cool noises this car makes, it wouldn't be complete without sharing this. That's based on Mark Rober's Friendly Horn project, and I'll provide a link to that as well.